everyone, welcome to Unique Model Arts. This is Uma. Today I am going to show you some different kind of beads and I will explain you the varieties of beads. Before going to start the video, I will just request you, please do subscribe my channel and click on bell button to get immediate notification whenever we upload the new videos. And also requesting you to please watch complete video till the end. So let's start the video. So here I am explaining you some details regarding glass beads. We have a new stock for this glass beads. So see here, these are the colors which I have available right now, and we'll update soon on the website also. This is a reasonable cost here. So let's see the sizes. This is green color and it's a 4 mm size. Okay, we have two colors, maroon and also the green, which are very fast growing nowadays. And here this is the 6 mm beads. Okay, it's only 6 mm. I have only one color here. These are all glass beads we have. These are generally used in jewelry making. And also here is the green color. Okay, now you can get the 8 mm size. See, we have very good colors, yellow, maroon, and sea green, and baby pink. Okay, so you can find out like this everything. Also we have dark color pink. This is one another shade. Like this. These are all glass beads. And also having some weight here. Okay, so these are all the glass beads. So generally you can use it in jewelry making, silk threads or handmade jewelries, fashion jewelries, whatever you want to make, you can make it. And once you make these kind of necklaces or earrings or bangles, whatever you want, you can make it. These nowadays beads are giving online very costly, so I just plan to give you a very cheap cost on this one. It's just a product review. So how to use these kind of beads and everything I'm going to show you on the videos. I have already shown one video which we have already created for necklace making using with the glass beads. So that was custom made, which I have made for one of the customer. See here, you can use these kind of plain beads and you can make some kundan beads also, like meenakari beads. That model also I have given the video, so you can check over there. You can see those kind of designer beads how we made, and I'll also give you one more video on my upcoming projects, how to paint on these beads. I'll tell you. And here guys, my motive of this video making is only to give you a glance regarding this beads, glass beads and everything. So I'll show you on my next video what are the pearl kind of beads. Okay, so here these are the main glass beads. Glass beads also coming with textures and plain. Here these are the plain plain, complete plain. These are not textures. Okay, some, if you want to use directly, you can use the textures also. I don't have the stock for them. You can find out in online. But here I am showing you the complete plain because it's a multi-purpose beads. You can use it. You can make your own designer beads. Otherwise, you can make your necklaces and everything using with the other jewelry findings, which I have already shown. So I thought I'll give you a small glance regarding this. You can use this kind of plain beads. You can make your own designers, or you can make your you can directly use the plain, and you can make your paintings, kundans, whatever you want. You can make if you find out the plain beads. Okay, so these are the sizes which I have: 4mm, 8mm, and 10mm beads. So I'll update soon on my website. So that's it, guys. Hope you people have liked my video. Please give a like button and share it in your communities. It will be useful to someone else. And if you people haven't subscribed my channel as of now, please subscribe my channel and click on bell button to get immediate notification whatever the updates we are giving in my channel. So you can also find the products and all, arts and crafts products in my website. We are also available in Amazon shopping portal, so you can find out more offers and all. It's not like you should buy from us only. It's you can buy it from anywhere. But what is the use of these kind of beads and what are the sizes? I just want to give you a glance. So thank you so much. We'll meet you on the next video with the pearl beads. Thank you.